A cell is the smallest unit of life in multicellular creatures. A cell is a basic unit of structure and processing that carries all the life characteristics of a creature and has the ability to live its life alone under appropriate conditions. Our body, like other plants and animals, consists of living building blocks that are too small to be seen with the eye, which we call cells, cilia. The internal structure of the cell, whose existence was first seen by Robert Hooke under a microscope in 1665, was later determined in more detail by means of an electron microscope. Cells maintain their vitality thanks to the membrane enzymes and organelles that form their structure. Cells may not have some organelles. But in order for viability to occur, there must necessarily be a semi-permeable membrane and enzyme systems. Cell membrane, a flexible substance that protects the cell from external influences, gives the cell shape and prevents the cell from dispersing. Tasks, makes the item allostate. Choose. Protects the cell from diseffects. A cell consists of a membrane that surrounds it and is permeable to certain substances, where proteins, salts and sugars are dissolved in a substance called the protoplasm or cytoplasm. The cell is fed by diffusion through this membrane. In the cell, there are special bodies that we have just learned about their functions. Core, nucleus. 5 is the most important organ in the reproduction of the cell. The structure of which is found in the metaplasm inside the nucleus membrane forms a substance called desoxyribonucleic acid or DNA for short. The part of the nucleus made in a substance called acid or RNA for short and the ribonucleic form the nucleus, that is, the nucleus, which is associated with a division of the cell. The Golgi body, ribosomes of cell membranes, cell proteins or organelles. Structure and functions. Eukaryotic cell structure, 1 the nucleolus 2, kernel 3 ribosome 4 vesicles 5 granulated, granular endoplasmic reticulum 6, Golgi 7 cytoskeletal 8 model, smooth endoplasmic reticulum 9 mitochondria 10 vacuole 11 cytoplasm 12 lysosome 13 centrioles. Eukaryotic cell structure, 1 the nucleolus 2, kernel 3 ribosome 4 vesicles 5 granulated, granular endoplasmic reticulum 6, Golgi 7 cytoskeletal 8 model, smooth endoplasmic reticulum 9 mitochondria 10 vacuole 11 cytoplasm 12 lysosome 13 centrioles. Our body is formed from a wide range of cells and organic and inorganic substances that fill the environment between cells. Before addressing the specific cell types of various tissues and organs and the specific functions associated with them, it is necessary to specify the main cell structure common to all cells and the general character of cellular function. For this reason, first of all, what is a cell, how it is made and how it works, let's review it briefly and in general lines.